Caritha. Welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today's video is going to be quick and easy using some stickers and chunks of glitter. Colors that I have on are China Glaze, Give Me the Green Light, and another China Glaze, and this is one of their little small teeny bottles, and this is New Year, New Boo. These are the glitters that I'm going to be using, and I got them from Wish in this pack of 12. And these are some old stickers that I had that I've probably had for like 1 or 2 years, and I got those from CVS. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put some green glitter on my ring finger using Sally Hansen Crystal Clear to stick them on. So I'm just going to take a little bit and just put it around my cuticle. Pick some up with the dip the orange stick in the clear polish on your nail just to get your stick a little sticky so you can pick up some of the glitter. And I'm just going to place them where I want them around my cuticle. So I have the green glitter on both my hands, and I went ahead and top coated it because when you're finished with one nail, might as well top coat it, right? So now I'm going to struggle to get into these stickers. And this was 3 sheets of stickers. The first one was like colorful stars and little diamond studs and ribbons and stuff. And then, do these come apart? I don't even know. And then this second one is black little flowers, but I'm going to be using the gold ones, the gold stickers, and the gold stickers are the same as the black. They're flowers, but they're gold, and these are the ones I'm going to be using on my nails. And I forgot to get out a tweezer, so I have my tweezer. I'm going to start with my pinky. Of course, since your pinky is the smallest nail, you want to choose a small sticker. And I'm going to place the stickers in the middle of my nail. And then what I'm going to do, let me open this before I forget. Then what I'm going to do is put a little bit of clear, kind of like in the corner, or right beside the sticker, and then do the same as I did with the, I think that's 2 of them. I picked up 2. It's gonna stay like that because I'm gonna make a mess trying to fix it. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same as I did with the green glitter and just put some glitter beside the sticker, let it dry for a couple seconds, and then top coat it. And so I'm going to do this with the rest of my nails, and I'll be right back. thing I want to mention, if you're trying to decide on which sticker to use, because this has a clear backing, you can hold the sticker or hold the whole sheet over your nail to kind of see what it looks like, you know, which sticker design you want. And for my index finger, I think I'm going to go with this one right here. So here's the finished design, and I love this. Like, it looks so elegant and classy, and it matches my class ring from when I graduated from Shaw University. So yeah, I really like this design, and it was honestly just a throw together. Like, I knew what colors I wanted to use, like my base colors. I knew I wanted to use those because I just bought them, but I didn't know how I wanted to do my nails. So this was really just a throw together, and it honestly ended up looking really good. So let me know how you feel about this design. Do you like it as much as I do? Let me know down in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.